Okay, guys, are you ready? We're going to add fractions with uncommon denominators. This is page 57 of the Math Packet 1. We're going to work on question number 2. So let's get to it. 1/2 plus 5/8 plus 9/10. Okay? So our first rule to adding or subtracting fractions is we have to have the same number for the denominator. Okay, this is where our factors come into play. So we need to find something that goes in evenly and by every number. So I chose 40. Okay, so now I need to multiply it by the appropriate number to get 40. What I do at the bottom of my fraction, I also must do to the top. Okay, okay, so that's 25 and 4. All right, now my denominators are the same. Now I just need to add them all together. So it comes up to 81, and we put the 40 on the bottom. Now, this is an improper fraction, and we know that it's not appropriate for us to leave it this way. So what do we need to do? Well, we need to take, and how many times does 40 go into 81? Well, we know that's twice. 40 times 2 is 80, so 81 minus 80 has a 1, and then we put the 40. That's it. Pretty simple. Okay, let's do another one. Let's work on number 4. Okay, we have 31 24ths plus 11 12ths plus 3 8ths. Okay, all right, so our common denominator is 24. And notice how I work from right to left. So I always do my problem up and down, and that way we can work from the side to side. If I don't have to change my denominator, I'm just going to move the whole entire fraction over so I keep it with the other numbers, okay? Makes it a little bit easier. Okay, now 12 times 2, 11 times 2, okay, and 3, and 3, okay. So 31, 22, and 9, we're going to add together because we already have a common denominator, okay? And it comes out to 62 over 24, okay? We know that this can't be, so how many times does 24 go into 62? Well, we can say 2, so 2 times 24 is 48, so 62 minus 48 will give us 14 24ths. Now, here's another one for our common factors. So we're going to look for a number that can be divided evenly between the 14 and the 24. So I'm going to use 2, so I'm going to divide it by 2, and it comes out to 7 12ths, because 14 divided by 2 is 7, and 24 divided by 2 is 12, okay? And then we're going to bring down our whole number, and there's our answer, okay? All right, I don't know how I did this number, but it just kind of was random, so let's work on it. 31 24ths plus 5 6ths plus 7 8ths, okay? Okay, so our common denominator here is 24. So we're going to strive to make everything 24 on the denominator. Okay, so 6 times 4, 5 times 4, 8 times 3, 3. Okay, so that would be, here's my common denominators. Okay, now I'm going to add 31, 20, and 21. It equals 72 24ths. And this was completely by accident. So how many times does 24 go into 72? Well, it goes in 3 times, evenly. And that's it. It creates a whole number. There's no more fraction, okay? Kind of cool, huh? All right, last one. We're going to work on a word problem. This is number 6, okay? And it says construction. A small concrete wall requires 3/4 cubic yard of concrete for the footing and 1/2 cubic yard of concrete for the wall. How many cubic yards of concrete are required for the footing and the wall combined? So we need to see. It says combined. When we say hear the word combined or total, we know we're going to add. Okay, so it's 3/4 plus 1/2. Okay, common denominator is 4. Make it simple. So 3 and 2 is 5. And we know we can't leave it. So how many times does 4 go into 5? Well, we know it only goes once. So 4 times 1 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. And there's our answer. Remember, guys, if you have any problems, please let me know. Bye.